How to sign up for Google Duo from your device. After you have installed the Google Duo app on your device, open the app. Then first of all, Google Duo will ask you to give access to your microphone, camera and your contacts on your device. So tap on give access. You have to tap on give access, allowing access to your contacts. If yes, allow, otherwise no, then deny for now. Also allow it to make and manage your phone calls. So first process in signing up is entering your phone number. First of all, choose your country code over here, and after that you can enter your phone number in the box. Then you can tap on agree button at the bottom of your screen. And Google Duo will send you a verification code to your phone number, and the number will be verified automatically. And like this, you have created your Google Duo account. You can also manage the low light mode on and other things by going to the settings. So this is the camera. You can add video, photo and voices over here. Therefore you have successfully signed up in Google Duo like this. So moving on to login to Google Duo. You don't have to do the login process like in other social media apps, entering your email address, password. You can simply open your Google Duo app once you have signed up for the account. Once you are signed in for the account, once you tap open the Google Duo app, you are already logged into your account. But if you want to delete your account, then you can go over the settings and go to the account menu. Here you can see you have your phone number. You can also add account if you have another Google Duo account. And if you want to delete your Google Duo account, you can tap on delete Duo account. And next time you want to log in, you have to again enter your phone number and verify it. So once you delete your Duo account, it will be permanently deleted. And next time when you open your Google Duo account, you have to again sign up for your account by entering your phone number. So once you have deleted your account, you have to again give access for Google Duo to your phone, and then you have to set up the Duo with your phone number once again to log back in. And the verification code will be sent to your phone and it will automatically be pasted over your Google Duo verification place. Once you have entered your phone number and arranged your country code, you have to tap on the agree button, and then you will receive a verification code which will be verified by Google Duo. Your phone number will be verified over here. It has been verified, and then you are again logged into your Google Duo account like this. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. You have learned how to log in to your Google Duo account from your mobile. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section below.